Ever wondered if you could just print a steak? Like Control Pack? Well, not exactly, but welcome to the wild world of 3D printed meat. This isn't your average fake meat. It's made from real animal cells, muscle and fat, grown in a lab. Think of it like Minecraft. But instead of building with blocks, you're building a burger with cells. The secret sauce is something called bioink. It's a special goo made of living cells, nutrients, and edible gels that a bioprinter layers into the shape of a steak or a chicken nugget. And just when you think you've got it, get ready for 4D printing. The fourth dimension is time. Imagine a flat steak that folds itself into the perfect cut when you cook it, or marveling that rearranges itself for the best flavor. This isn't just sci-fi, it's the future of food. More sustainable, less waste, and customizable for nutrition. So, would you try a steak printed by a robot? Let me know in the comments.